All right, YouTube, 106 Falconer, back with another freaking exciting video. I really screwed the pooch on this pool install. I thought I did a phenomenal job, and we've been using it for a month now, and it's already got a leak in it. And I'll show you here what happened. The 2nd of July, we had like a 20 hours worth of rain, and the pool had filled up to like right up here. Anyway, so the 4th of July comes, and the granddaughters were in there just having a good time, you know, splashing around and, you know, this and that. And with this type of pool, I've never had this type of pool before, but these openings here, it doesn't take much to get the water to come splashing out from these openings, especially if you consider the pattern right here, your fill line. I mean, you got to use this pool without splashing water in there. It's like you're in church, you know. You just got to go in, sit in the pew, and not move, you know. And the problem is, now see, when it's just, you know, me, the wife, whatever, you know, there's not that much splashing, you know. Or just like the oldest granddaughter, she comes around, bobs around. But you get all the granddaughters together in a big whirlpool. Well, I like doing a whirlpool too after a few pops. Anyways, so what happened here on the 4th, they were all doing whirlpool, jumping this and that, and this water all started coming out. And it gets concentrated in this little area, and boom, and it washed all the sand away, and it undermined. It actually took all the sand all the way under. So I don't know if you can see that bubble. So the liner is leaking. So I got to take this freaking pool down. I ordered a Aqua Easy pool liner repair kit, which I was just going to use until I realized that the sand, especially in this block, is like gone all the way around. So that liner is just in thin air there. So then with all the playing and stepping and this and that, created a hole. I think that's the biggest one. But yesterday, this block was wet, and this one here was also wet. So, yeah, I've decided I don't really like this pool. I don't like the design. It's too easy to lose water. But anyways, regardless, I got to take it down, and I'm going to do what I was going to do in the beginning, but I got lazy. I'm going to move it out of there. I'm going to use anti-fatigue mats underneath there. But before I put the anti-fatigue mats down, I'm gonna lay some plastic sheeting down, like 4 mil plastic sheeting. Then I'll put the anti-fatigue mats over that. Then put the pool back up. Hopefully plug that leak. And then I'm going to have to like put some rocks down or something around where the plastic is so that nobody steps on it and slips and falls. So I have to find some way to put some plastic edging around, you know, hug it right around the pool there so rocks don't get, you know, underneath there and puncture the liner that way. But anyway, so if you've seen my previous video about installing this, apparently I gave you bad advice, because this is just really not good. It's a slow leak, but if you can see the way that liner's bulging out, it's not going to take much for that thing to just pop wide open there. So so as soon as I get this drained out, I'll show you how I'm going to fix it up. But I just wanted to put this up in case you're putting one of these pools up. Bear in mind that these things right here, it concentrates the water right down on that point. So anyways, all right, well, that's it. See ya.